You are watching English Made Easy with Han.
Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Qudratullah Khan. Welcome back to English Made Easy with Han. Dear viewers, always look at the English words distrustfully so far as pronunciation is concerned. Sometimes pronunciation is different to the spelling. Spellings are pretty confusing. We are just going to improve our pronunciation. Just copy and repeat with me. Wait. Before going to start the lesson, subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon so you may stay updated. So let's start. Dear viewers, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि इंग्लिश के हर लफ्ज़ को शक की निगाह से देखें जहाँ तक प्रोनंसिएशन का ताल्लुक़ है। आप देखते हैं कि हम BUT बट पढ़ते हैं एंड PUT फुट पढ़ते हैं, तो हम बट को बुट नहीं पढ़ सकते और फुट को फट नहीं पढ़ सकते। Who tells us? Dear viewers, always look at the English words distrustfully as so far as the pronunciation is concerned. लफ्ज़ों को हमेशा डिक्शनरी में तलफ़्फ़ुज़ देखें, प्रोनंसिएशन देखें कि किस लफ्ज़ को कैसे पढ़ना है। उनमें फर्स्ट वर्ड लांजरे और लांजरी. Apparently the word and spelling gives the sound lingry. It's not lingry, it's lingerie or lingerie. Lingerie or lingerie. Second word, Nazi. 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 A member of National Socialist German workers, party led by Hitler. Nazi. Next word, Nadir. Nadir. Its pronunciation is, correct pronunciation is Nadir. It's not Nadir, it's Nadir. The lowest point or most unsuccessful point. Asking that question was nadir of my career. Asking that question was nadir of my career. Nadir. Next word, nonchalant. Spelling NONCHALANT. It's nonchalant or nonchalant. Both are correct. Nonchalant or nonchalant. She gave a nonchalant shrug. She gave a nonchalant shrug. Next word, SUITE. Sweet. Sweet. A set of connected rooms in hotel. Suite. Next word, facade. FACADE. Apparently it looks as if facade or facade. It is not facade. Correct pronunciation of the word is facade. Stress is on S. Facade. Front building, front part of the building or front part of the face is called facade. Next word, Adobe. Mostly we mispronounce this word as Adobe. Adobe Photoshop. It is not Adobe, it's Adobe. Adobe. Next word, Eclat. 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 Stress is on K, second syllable. You must know what is syllable. Syllable is the smallest unit of sound in a word. Just look at this word. There are two syllables. Hey, claw. The stress is on claw. Hey, claw. A brilliant display or effect. He finished his recital with great eclat. He finished his recital with great eclat. Eclat. You see, there is T word, but we are not going to pronounce this T. Eclat. Next word. B-L-A-S-E. It's blase. Blase. It's not blaze or blast, it's blase. Unimpressed with or indifferent to something because of experience, she was becoming quite blasé about the dangers. Number 10. Luxury. L-U-X-U-R-Y. It's not luxury. Mostly we mispronounce this word as luxury. It is not luxury. It is luxury. Luxury. While luxurious. Luxurious, but luxury. These were the words you might be mispronouncing or pronouncing incorrectly. So viewers, if you like our effort, subscribe our channel and tap the bell icon so you may stay updated.